Some people will come. You people should continue. They will remove you from alumni group. Just keep going, keep going. What do you say? I don't hide anything. I don't hide anything. I don't hide anything. I don't hide anything. I don't hide, and I've not started stealing. If I hide, you won't find, and I'm going to start stealing. If they don't evict me on Sunday, you'll be in trouble next week. I'm saying it now. If you people leave your food anyhow, it go disappear. If you should miss, suspect me first. But you won't find it. How you go down there, the talks are they hide. I go constantly hide the food self. When I never say anything. I respect myself. I do. You say me number one hider. Oh God, you will suffer. Just pray they evict me. Make I go announce them. Let me announce now. If they don't evict me on Sunday, hiding where when they accuse me of, I go constantly hide them. If your food miss, suspect me, but you won't find it. I don't hide anything and I don't steal anything. But now, if you see it, I'm not hiding it. Don't you get? What does hiding mean? Which fish? All night. I marinated it and I left it there.
It was not marinated crap, man. Why do you think it's crap on television?
No. Okay, no. So if hold on a second. Hold on. Was the fish marinated?
No, it wasn't.
No, like did I eventually marinate it?
No. Why did you just cap that you marinated the fish? Are you a pathological liar?
Wait now. No be fish where we chop.
The cap is too loud.
No be fish where we chop. Why did I put the say I hid it? No problem, it's fine. It's fine, it's okay, no problem. But now, did you remove the fish from the oven?
I didn't take a walk.
I put it inside the fridge.
I put it, no. Because, wait, hold on. Bella, calm down now. You're just jumping, just hold on. I brought, wait now.
Several times.
Oh, okay. No, that's not even the issue.
It's not,
okay, so this is the issue.
Smartness.
Sorry, so this is the thing.
Not smartness,
there were two program fishes. There were two program fishes in the freezer. Sheggz took one and fried it for himself. I saw the second one and I removed it because I wanted to make a barbecue out of it, and I put it in the oven. I put it in the oven for the thing to defreeze, and by the time it defrosted, I saw that you moved it or something, and I put it back and I marinated it.
I saw that I moved it. This thing stayed all day.
What's that?
Almost stayed all night.
It's okay,
I saw it midnight, so I didn't sleep early that day.
Anyway,
I took it out
by next week, if anything miss, suspect me first.
You guys should continue hiding now.
If anything miss, suspect me first.
Let me catch anybody first. Let me catch one person.
Alpha, he said they helped me.